As Tumbuka people, we believe in God. So the first thing in the morning, when we get up, while we are still on our bed or our mat, my grandmother would say, let us all sit up and pray. In the morning prayer, we offer gratitude for having a wonderful night, but also asking God to guide us during the day and give us everything that He has prepared for us. Then everyone will be told to go outside, and outside, that's where we would wash our faces and brush our teeth, breathe fresh air, we would clean inside our houses and outside our houses. Our environment is the main thing